Intermission.
Welcome to intermission.
Alright, that was a really stupid intro. I'm just getting into this real quickly. I'm about to show you a video where I have a bunch of reviews that I never posted, just the name of the thing and the rating. Video. Is Greg yelling at me? No, it's not Greg. No, it is Greg. Greg's yelling at me from the bathroom. Hey! I wish I could have shown him. Cherry limeade Fanta. 6 out of 10. Cotton candy. 6 out of 10. Lemon HTZ. 7. You like it? American chicken hash with no ranch. 10 out of 10. Power Punch. 5 out of 10. Dairy Queen chicken and waffles. 9 out of 10. Oreo cookie jar blizzard. 1 out of 10. Rockstar Tomb Kiss Twist. 5 out of 10. Greg, what'd you think? Wow. Wow. Taco Bell. Loaded nacho taco. 10 out of 10. Nos Power Punch. What do you think, Greg? 6. Ruffles all dressed. Sounds good, eh? I gotta try these.